Hello, hey everyone. My name is Akash Patel. Welcome back to my Linux tutorial series for the operating systems lab. This is video 2 and today we are going to get hands-on with the terminal. I will show you real commands from module 1 of linuxsurvival.com, explain what they do and actually run them in the terminal step by step. So today's my title is Linux Terminal Basics Module 1 Commands. My instructor name is Dr. Victor Swami, who teaches me all of this. So let's start. What is the terminal? So first, what is the terminal? The terminal is the text-based interface that lets you control your computer using commands instead of clicking with the mouse. It might look old school, but it's actually super powerful and still used by developers, system admins, and engineers every day. Think of it as talking directly to your computer in its native language. Instead of clicking open folder, you type cd folder name. Instead of clicking delete, you type rm file name. So this is the commands you can use instead of like clicking the open folders and delete button. So let's see, why learn the terminal? You might be wondering, why learn this in 2025 when we have graphical interfaces? Well, here's why. The terminal is faster for many tasks. It available on all major systems, Linux, Mac, and even Windows. It's required in many tech jobs, system administration, cybersecurity, and cloud computing. And most importantly, your OS lab assignments and exams might expect it. So let's see the next slides. Linux, Mac, and Windows terminal overview. Let's talk quickly about how the terminal works on different systems. So first of all, like Linux, the terminal is built into the OS. So most Linux distributions like Ubuntu, Fedora, or Debian come with the terminal installed. Mac OS. Mac computer come with the terminal app. Mac OS is Unix based, so the terminal in very similar to Linux. Let's see the window. Windows didn't have a native Linux terminal in the past, but now, thanks to something called WSL, Windows Subsystem for Linux, you can run Ubuntu or other Linux distros right inside Windows. So this is the overview. Let's see the next slides. So let's jump to the commands. Let's see. So in this module one, so I can take like this command from the Linux survival website. This is the best websites you can learn from this. Just simply type linuxsurvival.com. You can directly go this page and you can explore the command one by one. Also, he teaches all the commands and they take the like quiz one, so it's very helpful to you. So let's see the module 1 commands. So our first command is ls. So let's see the explanation of ls. So what is the ls? The ls command stands for list. When you type ls command in the Linux, that shows the names of the files and subdirectory in a directory. For example, like ls, so let's see the directly in the Ubuntu. Uh, this is my Ubuntu interface. So you can see it like I type the code here. So like ls, then enter. So you can see my files. So this is all the files. This is the list of my files subdirectory of directory. So this is the command ls. Let's see the second command. So second command is a more command. If you want to see the Content of a file. You can use the more command in Linux. So the more command is used to view the content of a file. So let's see what happened when I put more command. Yeah. So I have to go to first, like I have to open first. So let's see the handle.cpp. So more handle.cpp and enter. So you can see what is in the handle.cpp file. So this is my few uh, like come a few codes in this cpp file. You can see it. So how you can use the more command. Let's see the next command. So our next command is make directory mkdir. So the mkdir command stands for make directory. Using mkdir command, we can create the new directory. This command is used to make a new directory. Let's see. Let's see. Uh, we can do like. Let's see what happened when I type the make dir sorry, make directory name uh cpp code files. So, and when I type the ls, you can see the new file cpp code files that I uh, just created. You can see it here. So how, like this, how you can use the make directory command. So using this command, you can make like the folder in our language. We can say so. You select directory. So this is how you can use the make directory command. Then next command is mv. So command stand for move. If you want to move a file into directory or rename a file directory, you can use this command. So this is the output. I can do it in the past. So let's see the some. Let's see. Let's jump to the. Let's see. I will do like uh, this handle.cpp file. I want to move in the cpp code file. Let's see. mv handle.cpp and let's see my code files and just enter. And now I can like type the ls. There is a no handle.cpp file. You can see uh, where this file goes. So let's open. So if I have to open like cpp code file, I have to type the cd command. I can explain in the next. So let's go to this and then I will ls command and you can see the handle.cpp file. So this how you can move the file into the directory. So this is how you can use this move command. So let's see the next command cd. The like cd stand for change directory. It is used to change your current directory to another directory. Using this command, you can go to the particular directory. So I think so I can like I already told you like this cd command uh, you can go and jump into this file. So let's see like I put this cd command so I can go back to my main directory. Let's see ls. So I have to go to the cpp file. So how can I go? So just type cd cpp files and then enter. You can go in this file. Let's see what the files in this folder, in this directory. Let's type the ls and you can see my all the C++ files in this folder and the directory. So this is the cd command, how you can use this cd command for open the like op, you have go to the any particular library you can go. So let's see the next command. It's pwd. It stands for print working directory. So using this directory you can see the path of your current directory. So let's see, I will show you that. Uh, let's go back to, okay, pwd. Let's see what's it. So you can clearly see the path of the this directory. So where is this directory or the folder is located? It's like in the home and Akash 2012 and then CPP file. So using this command you can see the path of the current directory. Let's see the next command. It's cd dot dot. It used to go back to the parent directory, which means one level up from your current directory. And let's see the example. I will show you by doing practical. So this is right now we are in the one directory. Now put cd dot dot then enter. So now you can see we will go. We are going in one our main parent directory. So this is the cd dot dot command. So that's it. So in this module 1 we will see this all the command. So that's it for today's video. We just explored the most important basic Linux terminal commands from module 1 of Linux Survival, and I showed you how to use them step by step. Instead, the Ubuntu terminal running on Windows, how to see where you are with PWD, how to view files with ls like list command, how to move between folders with cd, its change directory command, how to create a folder with make directory, and how to move the file to the any directory by using mv command. So these all small commands, but there are actually the foundation of real Linux uses. In fact, every developer, DevOps engineers, or cybersecurity experts starts here. Now it's your turn. Open your terminal and try these commands yourself. Just play around, make folders, delete them, explore your systems. That's how you will really learn. So in this video, if this video helped you understand the terminal better, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you didn't miss the next part of this tutorial series. Thank you for watching and keep practicing. You are doing great. So in the next video, video 3, we are going to continue with file creation, copying, and moving, more useful terminal tools, real-world practice tasks, and highlights from Module 2. So thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing. You are doing great. Thank you so much.